Okay, hi guys, it's Tony from FX Day Trading. Today we're looking at Virgin Galactic. Let's get some on the hourly chart at the minute. Today's the 26th of Feb. We just had a news release last night of their earnings. So let's have a quick look at what's going on. I'm currently in this overnight. I think the news release was the earnings have dropped, which isn't good. But there's a few other factors in this that I'm still hopeful we might even open up today. But there's a lot to it really. So I'm sure most of you know about Virgin. They're sending people into space for a couple of minutes and charging them £250,000 to do it, which is very nice business if you can get it, I'm sure. They have two planes currently. Well, one which has just been moved down to Mexico Airbase. There's another one which is head weight on wheels, so that's all looking good. So they really are pushing on, and they're hoping to be mid 2020 was what they said last night. Going to be flying Richard Branson into space for the first time. They've also launched a new initiative to get astronauts, potential astronauts, flying with them. So other than the £250,000 price tag per ticket, they've also released a new intake on the website saying you can pre-register, pay £1,000 deposit, and then obviously if you qualify, go on a flight later on in the year, next year, when flights become available. One thing to note from their news summary yesterday, the results, fourth quarter and full year 2009 results, was that the actual interest has grown to 7,957 prior to this new fly with Virgin, whatever they call it, one small step sales initiative. So you know, they've doubled their interest in 3 months, and then that's before this pre-release, and I think they are waiting. I think one of the chief execs or something like that is going to be on CNBC today, so you never know. There might be even more to this than just a trading update. But again, that's all ifs and buts. This is the facts we've got. So there's, you know, have a look through on the website. It shows you all about it. The new page was opened today for intakes. Fly with us, and you can actually go on there and register to fly into space, which is crazy, isn't it, really? But and you need £250,000. It's not so very good. But they were actually saying their ticket price might be going up slightly as well, so that's always a bit of a worry if you're kind of it's a fully refundable £1,000. So obviously, if you want to fly and change your mind, you can obviously get your £1,000 back. But that all being said, where do I see this going? So normally I trade on the 5-minute chart, but this is the hourly chart just for now. Do you see we've kind of shot up massively in the last few months? Way down, you know, I think I've read something, it's like 400% increase at its highs from the IPO. We've kind of been in this upper range here, maxed out at 4,256, and a kind of lower range of about 3. Where do I see it going today? So my thoughts are, I mean, I looked at a bit of pre-market, still 2 hours to go to market opens really here in the UK. I think, you know, I think to myself, what do people invest in? I mean, there's a lot of this will just be pumps and dumps and initial people trying to make a quick buck and not really looking at the companies, just going with volume and order flow. You know, it's one of the hot markets at the minute is this kind of space, kind of like a new Tesla, but without the sales. I don't think. I mean, you know, why would people invest in a company? Because the future prospects are looking very good. They've sold, God knows, I think 600 tickets at £250,000 each, ready for the first few flights. It's looking relatively good, but you know, you're not expecting a company to make money who's not flying it, and you know, you still, you know, they're going ahead of schedule for the other flights, so you got to be paying money up for that. So personally, I don't believe that anyone was really looking for a profitable company, you're not going to profit just yet, are you? So I think that it was a bit disappointing to see even more in debt, but I don't think people would mind being in debt a little bit more if it means that the actual flights come around a bit quicker, which obviously then benefit, because then we could really start opening up the order books and the flight seats and things like that, and they would come up pretty sharpish, and I'm sure you'd get a lot more takers on the £250,000 price ticket if they had a date or they knew how long it was going to take for them another 600 people to filter through. So yeah, I don't believe people are in here for profits just yet. You know, they're anticipating profits in 2021. They said it's going to turn profitable. Also, the new I don't know if it's on here. The new thing they were talking about was that they're going to start doing long haul flights, which is quite an interesting thing actually. I was speaking about this the other day with a colleague of mine. We were saying how, you know, how long is it until someone does this? You know, goes to Australia from the UK. It's usually a 24-hour flight. Do it in 3 hours. You know, that's the kind of what they've just come up with. Which again is even a bit more of a revenue bumper, really. It'd be fantastic if they could push that as well. But again, I suppose if you've got technology to go to space, then going pretty fast across the world isn't going to be that hard, I'd imagine. I'm not sure if it's on here or not. I can't remember where I saw this. Oh, here we go. Yeah, so, you know, opportunities for the sale. Change the way we travel across the globe in the future. Yeah, forward-looking statements. It must be in that one. I'm not sure where I actually. I'm not quite sure where I saw. It's on there. It's definitely on the news bump you see. News bump you see. Around, you know, just Google it. You'll find it. It's all over there. But yeah, so yeah, you know, that's another kind of string to their bow, really, that you're going to be able to go internal flights, take quick flights, subsonic, fantastic, why not? And probably charge a lot of money for it as well in the meantime. But, you know, this is, you know, the forefront of technology and travelling. You change the way people travel across the world. So why not? Why not use that as well and create another source of income, which is probably a bit more accessible to most of us in the world at a price point. So let's back to the chart. Let's go to 5-minute chart. Where do I think it's going to go today? I still think that actually, we may open a little bit down. I think we'll open it a slightly down. But then I think also, I don't think people will be too disappointed that we're not making money just yet. I think there'll be a lot of kind of pump and dumps trying to take their money if they're holding it, swing trades, whatever, I don't know. But they'll be cashing them out early on, even pre-market, or try and get a pre-market. But I believe if we fall, you know, I'm probably expecting a 32 open, 31 open, you know, somewhere around that probably. And then, you know, I mean, anything under 30, you've really seriously got to think about. That's a real strong level, that 30. Whether or not they can hold it, I don't know. But I presume, or I'm hoping, I'm anticipating that actually, while everyone else is shorting, the long-term investors will use that as a kind of, well, either they're in or they're going to look to get in again. They'll be holding it and kind of adding to their thing, because although the sales is negative, you know, it's not great news, but I don't think anyone was really anticipating fantastic news feed. So my guess is that, you know, maybe we open it down, or we'll come in with a big lump, high volumes, and we'll shoot up again. Everyone will be, you know, aware of the news, and it'll be all over, and the guy will be on CNN, and it'll be positive, and I think people will go, yeah, no, let's get in it, because the future's looking so bright, the prospects they've got are so good. I think they'll be going up. So initially, you know, I mean, I've averaged my positions down a little bit, but obviously up here somewhere and down. I've been in and out with this since 14 really. Price was 14 in and out. But I'd say, you know, if you can get in anywhere lower than this, even under 32, 31, put your stop along below the 29 or at the 29 if you can handle that. I think we should, you know, hopefully, if we can get back up to the other highs of 42, I think we should be It'll be looking quite good, so you can make a new high. But just wait. It's just same with all markets. You just never know. But that's what I'm hoping. You're still in this uptrend. We might gap down. This 29 really. If you're going below that, you really are going below the kind of upper threshold, and you kind of back down. But let's wait and see and find out. I'll be trading it, so if you've got any questions, just ask. Don't forget, if you can like and subscribe, and if you want to see some more videos, if you've got other stocks, or you have any better points, please add them in the comments below. And just let us know what else I can do, what other videos I can make, and we'll see if we can have a look at it all together. Alright, thanks a lot.